In this video, I'll show you how to add DNS records on Cloudflare. First, sign into your Cloudflare account and open the website or domain you want to manage. Once you're inside that domain, go to the DNS section and then open Records. Cloudflare's official documentation says this is the main area where you create, edit, and delete DNS records for your domain. To add a new record, click Add Record, then choose the record type you need. Cloudflare supports common types like CNAME, MX, and TXT, and each one is used for a different purpose. For example, an A record points a domain or subdomain to an IPv4 address. CNAME points one hostname to another hostname. MX records are used for email routing, and TXT records are often used for verification or email security settings. After choosing the record type, fill in the required fields. Cloudflare says the exact fields depend on the record you select, but the most common ones are the name, the content or target, the TTL, and sometimes proxy status. For example, if you are creating an A record, you would enter the hostname in the name field and the server's IPv4 address in the content field. If you are creating a CNAME, you would enter the hostname in name and the destination domain in target. One important setting is proxy status. Cloudflare explains that for AAAA, and CNAME records, you can decide whether traffic should be proxied through Cloudflare or set to DNS only. If the record is proxied, Cloudflare sits in front of your origin server and can provide performance and security features. If it is set to DNS only, Cloudflare only handles the DNS resolution and does not proxy the traffic. Another setting to check is TTL, which stands for time to live. Cloudflare says TTL controls how long DNS resolvers cache the record before checking again for updates. A shorter TTL can help changes update faster, while a longer TTL may reduce lookup frequency. In many simple setups, leaving the default setting is completely fine. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Your new DNS record will then appear in the records list. If you ever need to change it later, Cloudflare says you can go back to the same records page, choose that record, click Edit, make your changes, and save again. If you need to add many records at once, Cloudflare also has an import and export option on the DNS Records page. Their documentation says you can import a formatted zone file to add multiple records in bulk, which is useful if you're moving DNS from another provider. So the simple process is this. Open your domain in Cloudflare, go to DNS and Records, click Add Record, choose the record type, enter the right values, review the proxy and TTL settings, and then save it. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.